Welcome to this gorgeous home, situated on a large lot with a circular driveway in a highly sought-after neighborhood. Here you can take in spectacular Mount Hood views from every room at the front of the home. Backing to a forested area, it's move-in ready with 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and more than 3,200 square feet. Heading inside, you'll discover a warm and inviting interior with new carpeting and interior paint throughout and abundant natural light. You'll find formal and informal spaces for gracious living and entertaining. The beautifully updated kitchen features granite countertops, a large cooktop island, maple cabinetry, and dual ovens. It opens to the family room with built-ins, French doors, and views of its own. You'll also find a main-level bedroom and a full bath. On the upper level, escape to the spacious master suite, where you can wake up to mountain views from the large bay window. The master bath features a dual sink vanity, jetted tub, and separate shower. You can entertain or just relax and unwind in the wonderfully private and fenced backyard. You have plenty of space to garden for family fun or hosting gatherings with friends and family. Gorgeous home with amazing mountain views. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Scott Foster with Premier Property Group at 503-860-9318.